Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make simple basil pesto. Pesto is super easy to make and it's also super flavorful. It's a great use for all of that summer basil in your garden, or it's great to freshen things up in the winter time. To start, place 2 cups of loosely packed fresh basil leaves into a blender or food processor. Then you'll need half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and I like to use the good Parmesan for this. So just sprinkle that on in. You'll also need 3 cloves of garlic, and those can be whole garlic cloves. Then you'll need 1/3 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 cup of whole pine nuts. Now, pine nuts can be a little bit pricey, I understand. I buy them in the bulk bins at my grocery store, so I only have to buy exactly what I need. But if they're still too pricey, you can also use the same amount of either walnuts or pecans, whichever one is cheaper. Then we're gonna pop the lid on and blend. You should end up with a nice, smooth pesto mixture. If you want to thin it out a little bit more, just add a little bit more olive oil until you reach your desired consistency. I'm just going to scoop mine into a jar so I can store it in the fridge. This will stay good in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. You can use it as a spread for sandwiches, for pizza, for pasta, for gnocchi. It's just so good. You are going to love it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.